to it. Now, missing human rights lawyer Professor Hassan Nandwa has been found abandoned in Mwingi 10 days after disappearing under unclear circumstances in Nairobi. The lawyer was abducted alongside his client Elgiva Bwire, who is still missing. Human rights bodies, in conjunction with the Law Society of Kenya (LSK) and Muslim leaders, now want President Uhuru Kenyatta to sack heads of the security agencies linked to the enforced disappearances in Kenya. Sirajur Rahman Abdullahi with that report.
The city advocate Professor Wilson Hassan Nandwa and his client, ex-terror convict Elgiva Bwire Oliacha, went missing on 28th October. Professor Nandwa was found dumped in Mwingi on the wee hours of Monday, but Bwire remains missing.
We also dispatched an advocate who practices from Mwingi and managed to get hold of Professor Nandwa. They spoke, but no much details in terms of where he was, his abductors, and what has been happening. We agreed to give him time to settle, to heal, and has indicated also probably to seek medical attention.
Who abducted the Muslim scholar cum lawyer and his client remains a puzzle. However, human rights bodies and Muslim leaders have faulted law enforcement officers.
Professor Nandwa ambaye aliwakilisha mteja, alifanya kazi ya kikatiba, ametekwa nyara ndani ya siku 10, ametezwa vile tunavyoelezwa, amechoka sana, anasikia akiwa mgonjwa, hataki hata kuja hapa kwa sababu ya kazi ya idara ya usalama ya Kenya ambayo inalipwa mshahara, inalipwa bajeti, inapewa pesa na ushuru wetu.
At the event dubbed Purple Ribbon Campaign held at Jamia Mosque on Monday, Horn of Africa analyst Abdul Wahab Abdul Swamad, who was abducted and freed, was also present. Abdul Swamad says he was not fully recovered.
I don't talk right now because one of the issues, in fact, they told me, one of the conditions, don't talk to the media, don't talk to African regional issues, also don't take us to court.
More than 130 people are reported missing this year alone, forcing Muslim leaders and human rights activists to announce peaceful countrywide demonstrations starting Friday to pressure the government to act.
Kidnapping, murder, forced disappearances, that is terrorism. And anybody who in their mind thinks that you can terrorize people in your perceived fight against terrorism is really mistaken.
Starting this Friday, we are calling upon all Muslims around the country to embark on rallies after Friday prayers to protest these gross injustices. In Nairobi, a rally will be held outside Jamia Mosque after Friday prayers, and a similar program will be held at Magadara grounds in Mombasa.
Hassan Nandwa was found a few days after the court ordered the police to produce the missing lawyer and his client Bwire within 24 hours. Sirajur Rahman Abdullahi, KTN News.
The Big Q.